Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to install Photoshop Beta for AI Generative Fill for free. And yes, that's right, for free. So, without further ado, let's get started. First here on the Google, you need to search for the Adobe Creative Cloud. And then select this first. And now once you are here, you need to sign in. Well, basically we are making a new account. And after that, you just need to continue with Google. Here, select the account that you're logged into your Google account. And now that's the main part. Here on the date of birth, you need to add date of birth at least 18 years old. And then here's the main part to change your country/region. Just open it up and then select United States. Here, just click on continue. Here on the another tab, just open up another browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Just scroll down until you find this option, adobe.com. Just click on here. And then you need to download this Creative Cloud app. Just click on it. And then your download should start in a minute. Here the download will start. Let's move on here. On this tab, you just need to click on the free trial. You see, under the Adobe Creative Cloud, just click on free trial. And here you will have three options. The first one is individual, the second one is team, and the other one is for students and teachers. In the individual one, you see there is a 7-day trial period, but you need a credit card or a Visa card to add before checking out. Once you move to the team, you see you will have all of the apps for free. And this will provide you 14-day trial period and there is no credit card required. So we will continue with this one. And once you are here on this page, you need to write the company name, the company size, your state province, your zip code, and your business phone number. Let's start with the company name. So write any company name and then select the company size. Here, select the province, select any one of this. Let's go with the California. And now search for the California zip code. Here, select the California zip code. Copy any one of them. And then paste your zip code right here. Now it's time to enter the business phone number. You can search for USA phone number. And write the temp at the end. You will just copy any one of this and place it right here. And after doing that, just make sure all of your information is correct and then click on continue. And you are good to go. Your free trial is ready to go. You can also invite your team members. You can simply ask up to 10 people to join your Creative Cloud for team trial. This means more 10 people can use these apps for free for 14 days. And after your download is completed, let's open up the Adobe Creative Cloud app that we have downloaded before. Here, just open it up. And then here, click on continue with Google. Open up this. This will open up. This will open up in your browser. and this will automatically authenticate that your account is logged into your browser. And once you do that, to see it's loading Creative Cloud. And you are good to go. Just close this one and click on Done. And after opening up your app, just simply on the top, click on Apps. Here, click on Beta Apps for Photoshop Beta, and there you have it. You can simply just click on Install. And there you go. Now it is installing Photoshop Beta for you. Click on Next and then click on Done. You can install multiple apps, for example, Illustrator Beta, the Premiere Pro, Premiere Rush, After Effects, and many more. Same goes with the other one as well. For example, when you click on All Apps, I've already installed these apps on my other account, so they are showing right here. You can simply update them. Just click on Update, and here click on Update All. And there you have it. And once the download is completed, you can use the Photoshop Beta version for free. And that free trial is about 14 days. And when the trial ends, you don't need to be worried about that. You just simply create another account and then do the same process just like that. And if you want to know how to use the AI Generative Fill by Photoshop Beta, you can check out my other videos as well. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.